and welcome to First Position Play Along number 9. Today we'll be learning the song Beekeepers. This video will not only teach you how to play the song, but it will teach you how to practice any song. We'll start by listening to the full song. Then we'll break the song into chunks, and then we'll go through some practice tips for extra help. For about 10 to 15 minutes a day, alternate between the listening, chunking, and practice tip sections of the video until you can play each chunk 3 times in a row with a steady, clear sound. Once you can do that, you'll be ready to perform the whole song at the end of the video with our backup band. Today, we're learning the song Beekeepers. Listen very closely. You may recognize the melody from this song from a song you already know. Now let's break our song into chunks. Here's chunk 1. Listen very closely. Can you hear what song it's similar to? It has the same melody as Jeepers, but it goes up to our upper B flat instead of G like Jeepers does. So let's sing and slide this chunk 3 times together, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 4, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1. Now we'll sing that on note names. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B flat, G, F, B flat, F. Second time now, ready, sing. G, A, B flat, G, F, B flat, F. And now let's play that together 3 times. Send that fast air and keep that fast air going to our upper B flat. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, ready. And third time now, breathe. Now here's chunk 2. Listen. Let's sing and slide that together, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 3, 1, 4, 2, 1. Now we'll sing it on note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. E flat, F, G, A, B flat. And second time now, ready, sing. E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Now let's play that together 3 times. Make sure that you hold our whole note at the end for a full 4 beats. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, O breath. Third time now, O breath. Now let's put chunks 1 and 2 together. Let's review it by singing and sliding on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. G, A, B flat, G, F, B flat, F. E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Now let's play that together. Take a deep O breath in and send that fast air out. 1, 2, O breath. Now here's chunk 3. Listen if it's the same, similar, or different to something you've already heard. What did you hear? Is it the same, similar, or different? It is very similar to chunk 1, except every time you play a G, it is eighth notes instead of quarter notes. So let's review that by singing and sliding on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. G, G, A, B flat, G, G, F, B flat, F. And let's go ahead and play that 2 times together. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Second time now, breathe. And now here's chunk 4. Listen. Let's sing and slide that together, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 1. Now we'll sing it on note names 2 times. 1, 2, ready, sing. B flat, A, G, F, B flat. Second time now, ready, sing. B flat, A, G, F, B flat. And now let's play that 3 times together. Have a snappy slide and make sure you're very exact between each of your positions. 1, 2, breathe. Second time now, breathe. Third time now, breathe. And now let's put chunks 3 and 4 together. Let's sing and slide it on our note names to review. 1, 2, ready, sing. G, G, A, B flat, G, G, F, B flat, F, B flat, A, G, F, B flat. Now let's play that together. Fill up your horn and hold that whole note for a full 4 beats. 1, 2, breathe. Now you know the whole song. Go on ahead to our practice tips for some extra help, or go back and repeat whatever you need. While Jeepers introduced the note G, Beekeepers introduces the note upper B flat, though you've likely already been playing this note with our fundamental videos. Like Jeepers, we can work on getting up to this high B flat through glissing and getting louder up to our high note. Here's a reminder of what that would look like. Here's another practice tip for chunk 4. Repeat after me. Together. We took our rhythm and took out the in-between notes to simplify it. Let's try this together by simplifying our rhythm and then adding our in-between notes back in. Repeat after me. Together. My turn. Together. Taking out the in-between notes like this allows us to practice the rhythm and having a snappy slide without getting overwhelmed by all of the notes. Try this tactic as you continue to learn and play harder and faster rhythms. Now that you've practiced each chunk, let's play the whole song together. If you played along with me in rhythm with a clear sound and snappy slide, now you get to play with the backup band. There will be reminders on the screen, but now it's time to show what you know. Great job learning your 9th song, Beekeepers. Once you can play the whole song 3 times in a row with a clear, confident sound, then you'll be ready to move on to the next song. There is sheet music in the description if you would like to try reading the sheet music now that you know how the song goes. I'll see you in the next video for our next song.